Kollmorgen empowers their customers with the speed and custom products they need. With their new online catalog, users can fully customize their parts without ever leaving Kollmorgen's website. Let's check it out. Under the Service and Support tab, click Technical. Then, scroll down to 3D Models. Here, select the product you'd like to configure. In the Product Configurator, you can customize the product to fit your design, while the configurator builds your product on the fly. To the right under the Preview tab, you can preview a 3D model of your designed part as it will appear in your application. When you're happy with your design, click the CAD Download tab. Add your email and click the CAD Download button. Now you can select from over 100 file formats and versions to download your model as a native CAD file. You can also receive a free 3D PDF datasheet that you can easily share with team members who don't work with CAD. Click Start Download. Now you can test that part directly in your design. No more wait time, and no more need for set files. For more great parts and a faster design cycle, visit Kollmorgen.com and check out partsolutions.com to learn how your company can create a better digital customer experience.